Question 1. Aisha, a financial consultant, plans to buy her first property in 8 years and decides to invest 42,000 to grow her savings. She is considering two investment schemes. The first option, Alpha Fund, offers an interest rate of 6.15% compounded quarterly, while the second option, Sigma Trust, offers an interest rate of 6.05% compounded monthly. Solution for question 1, 1i Roman. So, we should calculate the total amount after 8 years if she invested in Alpha Fund first. So, we use S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N formula, which is, it is a compounded formula. S equals to 42,000, the principal, bracket 1 plus 0.0615 over 4, DI, bracket to the power of 32, it is N. So, S equals to 68,437 ringgit and 83 cents for Alpha Fund. Next, the total amount after 8 years if she invested in Sigma Trust. S equals to 42,000, bracket 1 plus 0.0605 over 12, bracket to the power of 96. S equals to 68,064 ringgit and 35 cents. Next, solution for question 1, 2i Roman. We should calculate the interest of each scheme. Interest she earned in Alpha Fund, I equals S minus P. 68,437 ringgit 83 cents minus 42,000 equals to 26,437 ringgit and 83 cents. And interest she earned in Sigma Trust, I equals to S minus P, equals to 68,064 ringgit 35 cents minus 42,000. It is equal to 26,064 ringgit 35 cents. Solution for question 1, 3i Roman. Based on the interest value, Aisha should choose Alpha Fund because she will earn higher interest. Solution for question 1, 4i Roman. We should calculate the first 3 years, then the remaining 5 years. So, we still using the compound formula, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N. So, for the first 3 years, S equals to 42,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0615 over 4 bracket to the power of 12. So, S equals to 50,439 ringgit 5 cents. Remaining 5 years, S equals to the new principal, which is 50,439 ringgit and 5 cents plus with additional 12,000. Bracket, open bracket 1 plus 0.0615 over 4 bracket to the power of 12. The total is S equals to 84,790 ringgit 93 cents.
Paris borrow 50,600 ringgit from RHB Bank for 30 years. The interest rate offer was 7.25% compound quarterly, and he settled the loan by making a total payment of 148,667 ringgit and 70 cents. Find the duration of the loan.
First, let's look at the information given in the question. The principal amount is 50,600 ringgit. The total amount paid is 148,667 ringgit and 70 cents. The annual interest rate is 7.25% and the interest is compound quarterly. Since it's compound quarterly, we divide the annual rate by 4. This is interest rate per quarter. The number of compounding periods is 4 times T because there are 4 quarters in a year. Our goal is to find T, the duration in year. Next, we use the compound interest formula. S equals P time, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of N. Substituting the value, we have 148,667.70 equals 50,600 times, open bracket, 1 plus 0.018125, close bracket, to the power of 4T. Now, divide both sides by 50,600. That gives us 2.918 equals, open bracket, 1.018125, close bracket, to the power of 4t. To solve t, we take natural logarithm of both sides. So, ln of 2.918 equals 4t times ln of 1.018125. Now, divide ln 2.918 by 4 ln, open bracket, 1.018125, close bracket, equals t. That gives us 15 years. So, the duration of the loan is about 15 years.
Question 1a. Yasmin deposit 300 ringgit every 4 months into a saving fund for 10 years and 8 months. The fund earns 6.2% interest compound every 4 months. Find the future value of her savings at the end of the period. First, we find the periodic interest rate. I equals K divided by M equals 0.062 divided by 3. Next, we calculate the total number of periods. N equals MT equals 3 times 10 and 8 over 12, which equals 32. The amount deposit every period is R equals 300. Since the deposit are made regularly, we use the future value of an ordinary annuity formula. S equal R open square bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 close square bracket divided by I. Now we substitute the values. S equals 300 open square bracket 1 plus 0.062 divided by 3 close bracket to the power of 32 minus 1 close square bracket divided by 0.062 divided by 3. After the calculation, the future value is S equals 60,553 ringgit and 40 cents. A retirement fund in worth 288,720 ringgit after deposit 900 ringgit every month into an account that earns 6% interest compound monthly. Determine how long the owner has been deposited into the fund. The future value of fund is given as equals 288,720. The monthly deposit is R equals 900. The periodic interest rate is calculated I equals 0.06 divided by 12. The number of period is N equals 12T. We use the same energy formula. S equals R open square bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 close square bracket divided by I. Substituting the values, 288,720 equals 900 open square bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 close bracket to the power of 12t minus 1 close square bracket divided by 0.06 divided by 12. After simplifying, open bracket 1.005 close bracket to the power of 12t equals 2.604. Taking natural logarithm of both sides, natural log of 2.604 equals 12t times natural log of 1.005. Solving for t equals 16 plus.
For question 2, part B. Aiman purchased a house price at 520,000. He paid 25% as a down payment and the remaining balance was financed through a housing loan charged at 4.35% interest, compounded monthly for 30 years. A. Calculate the monthly payment. So for this question, we use the present value formula. We need to find the R. So for the A is 0.75 times 520,000 equal to 390,000. For the I, we get the 0.0435 over 12. And for the N, 12 times 30, we get the 360. Okay, so we put the number into the formula. 390,000 equal to R 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0435 over 12 bracket power negative 360 over 0.0435 over 12. So the R is 1,941.47. Okay, for part B, if Aiman missed the first 4 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 5th payment to keep his payment up to date? So for this question, we use the future value formula. S equal to 1,941 and 47 cents times bracket 1 plus 0.0435 over 12 bracket minus bracket power 5 minus 1 over 0.0435 over 12. So for this question, we get the answer 9,777.98 cents. For part C, find the outstanding balance if Aiman decide to settle the loan in single payment immediately after paying for 20 years. So balance of payment is 360 minus 240 equals to 120. Okay, then we put the number into the formula using a present value formula. A equal to 1,945.41.47 cents. Bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0435 over 12 bracket power negative 120 over 0.0435 over 12. And the answer we get is 188,644.49 cents. Okay, that's all. Thank you.